Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jason here. I just had a lot of questions on the last video, and I wanted to go over those with this video and also give you guys a map and show you guys how to see if you are in that low income area that they're looking for to get this grant. I'm going to show you guys on this video in a little bit how you do that, how you take those numbers and divide them to see if you're under that 80% mark as well for the median family income. If you guys would, make sure you guys put thumbs up on the video. Make sure you guys hit the sub button. And that'd be super amazing. I would appreciate it. We're going to get right into it. Just want to go over a few things real quick. You had to be in business before January 31st, 2020 to even be able to get, qualified for this grant. Remember, guys, this grant is, non-taxable. So you don't have to pay any taxes on it. So when you get to $10,000 from it, that $10,000 is non-taxable. So really, it's even, more than $10,000 really when it comes to, especially if you're using that money to buy stuff for your business. Obviously, you're going to save even more money because it's not going to be taxed or anything like that. Second, you must have under 300 employees. So if you have 301 employees, you're not going to be able to get it. Obviously, I'm sure most people watching this video probably are in that 25 to 50 or under employee count anyway. So you probably don't have to worry about that. You got to have a 30% economic loss between 2019 and 2020. Pick any 8-week period in there. And then any of those 8 weeks between 2019 and 2020, let's say you had April and May, those 8 weeks right there. Let's say you had a 30% loss between April and May of 2019. You go back and look. 2019 was better in April to May than 2020 was, which is obviously probably so for most people because of the pandemic. You would qualify. If you don't, obviously you can try to move the numbers here and there a little bit and see if you can qualify, but it's going to be hard to get qualified for this grant. The biggest one obviously is being located in a low income area. They did release a map, the SBA did, saying this is what you could use to go and look to see if you're in a low-income area. I'm going to read off what they say is a low-income area. Any population census tract and the property rate for such tract is at least 20%, or in the case of the tract not located within a metropolitan area. The median family income for such tract does not exceed 80% of the statewide median family income. Or in the case of a tract located within a metropolitan area, the median family income for such tract does not exceed 80% of the greater of the statewide median family income or the metropolitan area median family income. I know that's a lot to take in. Like I said, it really is a lot to take in. But once I show you how to do it, what the map looks like I said, I'll leave the link in the description. That way you guys can go and check for yourself to see if you're in a low income area. Obviously, I don't know if this map is all the way up to date. This is just the map the SBA gave us. From what I'm looking at, the SBA is going off 2015, which is 2020. But from the map they gave us, this is the map they showed, and this is what it shows. Obviously, it shows the 2020, and I'll show you guys how to get to that number as well. Let's take that away real quick. All right, if I bring up this map real quick, you would go over here. You see this right here. Click on this. Make sure you have it on 2020 and not 2021. So you click on that. Then you go over here to Users Select Track. And then you can put in your address up here, or you can scroll in. I live in the Nashville area, obviously, so I'd scroll into the Nashville area. And then you'll see these tracks come up. See these tracks? This is a track. This is a track. All these little tracks in here, tons of them. They're everywhere. We'll just pick one right here, obviously. This tract right here, if you go over here to census, the census graphic data right here. Now you see the census part. If you go over here to income, click on income. Then it shows you right here, obviously. So percent below poverty line. In this tract, only 5.9% is below poverty line. So that means you wouldn't qualify for the loan unless you're only 80% of the statewide median family income. So then you would go over here and then you would pick this tract median family income, which is $52,000. The tract for Tennessee is $64,000 is the median family income for Tennessee. from the last time I looked anyway. So all you have to do is bring up your calculator. Right here, bring it up. So you put in 52,466. So 52,466. And then you would divide that by the Tennessee median family income, which I think it's like 62.4, somewhere around there. It doesn't really matter. I'm just trying to show you how you do it. Then you would hit equal. Obviously, this right here would not equal. You couldn't get a loan, obviously, or get the grant, because you would be over 0.8%. You would need this to be below that. So say if this tract was, let's see if there's another tract in here. We'll click on it real quick. See if there's another tract. Let's see. And 64, good Lord. That's high. But you would take any of these tracts, obviously. You find one, let's say in that area it's 49,000. Then you would divide that by the 62.4. And then I would be under the 0.8% to be able to qualify to get this. Like I said, I'll leave this in the description as well. That way you guys can see it. And that way you guys can look at it and see if you qualify, if you're in a low income area. Again, it's going by 2015 numbers on that census map. I don't know if the IRS is going to be going by that. Obviously, the SBA is going to be going by that, but I'm guessing it is, because that's the thing they gave out was 2015. That is the actual map that they sent out and said, "Hey, look, this is what we're looking at." So I'm guessing they're going by 2015. They might have a more updated one, but that's pretty much how you would do that. If you have any questions, like I said, you can leave them below, and I will get to them as fast as I can. Like I said, if you guys haven't, hit a quick thumbs up on the video. Make sure you guys hit that sub button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.